Hey, what's going on, everybody? Jerry here, and I want to make a short video because I don't want to keep you too long. We are still running a 20% sale on direct mail leads, peel and stick labels, and email leads for your flyer business, your postcard business, or whatever business you have that you need email leads or direct mail marketing leads or peel and stick label leads. We have it. The company's been around since 1985. It's a solid company. All our leads are hot, fresh, and constantly updated. So you don't have to worry about that thing. They're fresh, constantly updated. So I just wanted to make a short video to let you know the 20% sale is still going on. So click on the link below this video. Check out the website. Place your order. Go ahead and do it. Get it while you can. The prices have been slashed on email leads and the peel and stick labels. So go ahead, click on the link below this video and go ahead and jump on this thing. Put your order in. We'll sell you as many leads as you can handle. That's up to you. Whatever you need, we got it. No problem. So with that being said, I hope all y'all have a wonderful weekend. And y'all take care of yourself. Be safe out there. And I'll talk to you later. So have a great weekend. God bless you all. Check out the website. I'm going to put the link below the video right here. So go ahead and jump on it. Get your order in as soon as possible. Like I said, 20% off. High quality, fresh, responsive opportunity seekers list. Direct mail leads, email leads. We got it. We got it. We got it. And we want to give it to you. We want you to have these leads. So go ahead, jump on it. Place your order. We love you. Take care. Bye-bye.